Ready? Alright. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. Nah, that feels fucking cool as fuck. God. Fuck. God damn it. It's fucking boring.
Milky milkshake, milky milkshake, milky milkshake, dancing with my milkshake, baby, oh yeah, I'm dancing with my milkshake, oh I love my milky shake, baby, milky milkshake, milky milkshake, shaking my milk, baby, shaking my milkshake on the dance floor, baby, milky milkshake, milky.
There we go, it's fucking done. Mwah. I'll see how it looks with the RGB, you know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. I know what y'all are thinking. What do I think of them? I think they feel great, dude. I'm not gonna lie, no lies. They feel fucking beautiful, dude. The only thing I didn't like was the package. You know, you kind of have to pleasure it a bit to open it. You know what? So teach the package a fucking lesson. Take this, you communist fucker. Alright, so overall, I'd say pretty great keycaps. I would for sure buy them again if I get another keyboard. And I don't know, I guess I'll put a link, but if I don't, it's not my fault. I'm kind of retarded. And I guess that's it.